Hello guys and welcome back. Today I am going to go to the supermarket. This one is called and what we're going to do, we're going to look at the prices of things. And what I'll do, I'll leave a conversion thing down in the description so you can see how much things roughly are. So come on guys, let's go. I'm really not sure if I'm allowed to be filming in here. Here we go, there's some butters. That's clear. We've got a promotion on today. You buy one, get one free. 247 baht though. That's a lot, huh? There you've got your kimchis and stuff. Alright, so over there we've got your pork. Minced pork. I hope this is coming out clear. Chickens over there. There's an 88 baht a kilo. Chicken breasts, 89. Might have one hand for my dinner tonight. Cheese. Some of these cheeses, because of the import, quite a lot. Alright, let's head up. We'll have a look at these hams first. These salamis. Salmon. Where's the different fishes? Okay, French fries. These are a kilo a bag. I think $7.50. Over here, chicken nuggets and stuff. It's a kilo, 189. Ice cream. Quite expensive. Right, we're moving into the sauce aisle now. So you've got your stuff like that. Chutney. We've got Liam Perrins there. It's 122. The olive oils. Quite a famous one, that. Right, over here I just spotted this. Look at that. Curry. It's from the UK, I think. How much is it in the UK? It's not that much. HP. These are all your soy sauces. You do your cooking and stuff. What else would you be interested in if you're an expat? Vinegars. Sorry if I have to put my own music on, but they're playing their own music up here. So you're getting a rough idea how much stuff is. Ketchup. This is probably the cheapest thing because it's they make it here. If you wanted the imported stuff from America, like this one, you're going to pay a bit more. These are new, didn't see these before. It's a good price. Heinz. On the other side it might be in English. There we go. So you got all your spaghetti and pasta. Over here is my favourite shelf. Okay, baked beans. How much are baked beans in the UK? These are the same as Heinz. I've got some Branstons there. Spam. Half price at the minute. Not had one ham for a long time. I used to like the pea and ham one. Very delicious. That's half price as well. Right, another one that you might be interested in is tuna. So you got from 44 baht. Noodles there. Gravy. Oh, coffee. Everybody loves a coffee. I've been drinking this one recently. Really quite good. your 3-in-1s. Cereals. Hope you're getting all of this. Right, over here, tea. With me being from England, I like to drink tea, especially ones like that. There's the prices there. You used to have PG tips in here, but they've moved it into Top Supermarket now. So, some jams, peanut butters, and whatever. Okay, different part of the supermarket now. We're going to have a look at the laundry. So you can see the prices there. Not a bad price. Need to move out of the way of that music. I don't know if I get copyright for that or not. There's some funny looks walking around with this camera. I can see myself getting thrown out in a minute. Right. David Beckham there. Right, so I'll head around to the toothpaste. Let's go over that way towards the booze. Here we are, the booze. I'm talking about 500 to 600 baht for a bottle of wine. Vodkas. Jack Daniels. The expensive beers over here. Cheap, some of these. It was a Friday night, you went and had 2 bottles of wine. They're quite pricey. Right, let's move on to the snacks. Okay, these are quite high price because they're imported from the USA. But these are the local Thai ones. See the price difference there. The high price ones, they're all imported. I just wish the Thai ones would make salt and vinegar. Love a packet of salt and vinegar, but yeah, look how much they are. They're just salted. I hope this picture is gonna come out good. I've tried to mess around with the settings. Should be alright. Alright, around here is the chocolate. Quite cheap, aren't they? There's another aisle, have biscuits as well. I'll show you that as well. $600. Mars bars, but they're all gone. 33. I was going to have a look at the cookies or biscuits. Okay. There's a lot of stuff like this. Here we go, some cookies. You see now we're French. That's about it. I'm going to get out of here, I think. Okay, yogurts. I'll do a fruit and vegetable one in the next video. It's expensive for a milk, isn't it? Goat's milk. So when you come over to Thailand and you're thinking of going grocery shopping, now you have a rough idea how much stuff costs. These are really nice. Well, I'm going to get out of there. Looks like they're going to have a market down here. So what I'll do, I'll come down in a couple of days and make another video. Okay, so that's it from me today, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button. And if you look down to the left or the right, you'll see another video to go and watch. So take it easy, my friends.